This section will describe the icons and menu options within the Macs UC Desktop Client UI. Let's start with the top menu options. From the File menu, you can do the following. Change password. Click this option to view a pop-up where your password can be changed. Enter your old login password from Macs UC Desktop Client and the new password in the provided boxes. Enter your new password again in the Verify Input box and click Change Password. Mute notification sounds. Add contacts. New group chat. Sign out of chat. Log out. Quit. This closes out the application. From the Tools menu, you can choose from Options, enables you to make changes to the way the soft phone behaves and to test your audio and video equipment. Conference Manager. Apps, view the range of apps you can download. View Account, allows you access to change your password and voicemail PIN. The Help menu allows you to access the Macs Help menu and gives you the ability to send feedback and check for updates. Next, let us focus on the main menu panel. The main panel includes your photo. This is used as your avatar for instant messaging. If you don't have an instant messaging account, this image will not appear. Also included is your name and possibly your phone number. The main panel also houses the dial pad or keypad that is used to make calls. To use the dial pad, click on the dial pad icon. This will expand the window to show an actual dial pad. Use it to enter a valid 10-digit number. When complete, click on the Call button. If you choose not to use the dial pad, you can also enter the number manually within the Name and Number dialog box. It also houses a voicemail indicator. This is located to the right of the Enter Name or Number field. If you have a voicemail message waiting for you, you can see it here. The numbers shows the numbers of messages you've received. Lastly, the main panel houses your presence information. The following icons will determine what presence your account is set to. Orange indicates that you were either on the phone or busy. Yellow indicates that you've been inactive for a length of time. Green indicates that you are currently online and available for calls. Red indicates that you are set to Do Not Disturb. Presence can also be customized by the user from the drop-down menu. At a glance, you can see how many missed calls and messages you may have. Click the Recent tab to view your calls and chats. Missed, received, and dialed calls are differentiated by the following icons. Blue for calls placed, green for calls received and answered, red for calls that were received but unanswered. Lastly, the interface has your main tabs that most of your information is stored within. The Contacts tab displays a list of your contacts in alphabetical order. From within the Contacts tab, you can right-click on a contact and add them to your Favorites list by selecting Add to Favorites menu option. Use the Favorites tab to view your most commonly used contacts. Favorite contacts appear with a star badge beside their name. The Recent tab not only lists the most recent dialed, received, and missed calls, but also provides you a list of IMs.